Now, I'll be speaking about how the watch will be operated by the user. So, initially, the user will be prompted to write his email and password. And after writing his email and password, the user can simply press the login, for which he can view the heart rate monitor. The heart rate monitor is used to view his own heart rate. Right now it's measuring, and as I'm not wearing the watch in order to take the video, I will not be able to show you that the heart rates are being taken. However, this information can be seen in the report. We opted to add the heart rate monitor page after the login in order for the user to view his own data, just in case the user is a patient as well. This is the warning that comes out when the heart rate sensor is blocked or is not clean due to it being not touching the skins on the table. So this is why it's not working. However, right now, after the user checks his own heart rate, he gets the option to press this button. This button is the options button. Once pressed, the user is prompted by these two different options: the manual alert and the patient list. The manual alert, the same as works the same way as it used to work in the previous phase. The manual alert, once pressed, will give the user to choose two different options. This option directly calls the ambulance in order to just in case an emergency occurs, in order to call the ambulance as fast as possible, and it will be redirect him back to the login page just in case he wants to log into another user. After logging in, this is what the manual alert does. Pressing this button goes back, and you're back to the heart rate viewer. This is the heart rate now. It's not doesn't show clearly on the video. Yes, now it shows because right now I'm resting it on my skin. However, the other option is the patient list. Once the user presses the patient list, he'll have a list view of the name of the patient, the current heart rate, and the timestamp of which this last heart rate has been taken. This heart rate is pulled every 1 minute in order to not overwhelm the database with heart rate values. And finally, this back button, once pressed, takes you back to the heart rate sensor, to the heart rate monitor, in order to navigate to whichever page that the user desires. And this is the basic capabilities of the application on the user side.